Mishimelon!
Wow! That's a diplodocus! Let's feed him and see if he grows. Purple, green, purple, purple, orange, yellow, purple, orange, green, blue, purple, orange, yellow, orange, yellow, green, purple, blue, green, purple. Wow! He is huge!
Oh, kitties! Amazing! Wow!
I have heard that there is a picture of a Tyrannosaurus. Let's find it. Let's pop the balloons with the number 5 first. Tap all the balloons with the number 5. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5,
Oh, kitties!
5,
Oh,
5. Now it's time to pop balloons with the number 3. Tap all the balloons with the number 3. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. Let's pop the balloons with the number 2. Tap all the balloons with the number 2. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. It turns to pop balloons with the number 1. Tap all the balloons with the number 1. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 1. And the last ones. Balloons with number 4. Tap all the balloons with number 4. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. And here is our picture of a Tyrannosaurus.
Circle.
Great job.
Oh, clapping.
Look at these beautiful eggs. Let's move the eggs to nests of the same color. And now let's see what's inside each egg. It's a blue dinosaur! Yoo-hoo! It's a red dinosaur! Yay! It's a yellow dinosaur! Hooray! That was fun! Don't you think? Look at those teeth! But why is the Tyrannosaurus white? Let's color the picture according to the colors. That's better. Good job.
What amazing!
Are you also wondering what the picture is? Let's move the pieces of the painting to their places. This is a picture of a velociraptor.
Coloring the dinosaur. Orange.
Green. Blue.
Looks great! Is this a picture of a pterodactyl? But why isn't it colored? Let's color the picture according to the numbers. Well done, my friend. There are some dinosaur eggs. Let's see if you remember where they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have found them all. Great job.
Wow, kitties!
This picture is not complete. Move the pieces of the picture to their right spots. Wow! It's a triceratops!
Amazing!
The teacher wanted to show us a picture of a triceratops, but it has broken into pieces. Solve the puzzle. Yay! You solved the puzzle. The class can see the picture now. Oops! Someone broke the picture with the dinosaurs. Solve the puzzle. Great! It's a picture of the Diplodocus. Let's see what image is hiding here. Let's connect the stars. It's a triceratops. It was a difficult picture to complete. You did great! Wow! Let's connect the stars. Wow! It's a pterodactyl. A couple of elements are missing on this picture. Move the pieces of the picture to their right spots. Looks fantastic! Wow! This is something new. Is this a pterodactyl? Match the picture and find out. It's a pterodactyl! Well done! Match the picture and find out what it is. It's a triceratops. Let's try to imagine the way dinosaurs lived. Move the items to their correct spots. Wow! What an interesting picture! We have cards with dinosaurs. Let's find a pair for each dinosaur. Great job! You did so well! What's behind the silhouette? Connect all the stars to see what it is. Wow! It's a pterodactyl. Connect all the stars to see what it is. Yoo-hoo! It's the diplodocus. Great job! I love dinosaurs. Let's check if you remember my favorite ones. Show me a diplodocus. You got it! Now, show me a triceratops. You got it! Show me a pterodactyl. Roar! You found it! Amazing work, friend!